Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we're going to be doing steaks on the Blackstone Griddle. I'm going to show you the temperature of the griddle that you're going to want and also the internal temperature of the meat, depending on how you want it, rare, medium rare, medium, well done, but anyway, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and get right into the cook. Okay guys, this is what we got. We have a ribeye, nice thick one, good color. This thing is an inch, maybe a little more. So all we're gonna do, I know I said steaks, I had 3, but I cooked a couple the other day, and this is what I have left. It doesn't really matter if you have 1 or 10, it's all gonna be the same. So all we're gonna simply do is go ahead and season it up with a little bit of Montreal steak. If you don't have some of that, some coarse kosher salt and some cracked black pepper is fine. So let's go ahead and season this thing up. Okay, so it is all seasoned up. That's what we got. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go light the Blackstone up. I'm going to leave this sit out for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it sweat a little bit. I'm going to go start the Blackstone. We'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, it's only been about 5 minutes, but it's hot. It's 107 degrees out here. I'm in Arizona, so I'm going to flip this thing and season the other side. Now make sure to hit the sides of the steaks. What I'm going to do, throw a little bit of extra seasoning down on the side. I learned this actually from my friend, my buddy, Tommy over at Gallery Backyard BBQ. Throw a little extra seasoning on the sides. That way you can actually just take your steak and pick up all that extra seasoning. So great idea. Never even thought about it before to just kind of do that. So anyway, there's that. Just a couple more minutes and we'll take over to Blackstone and get this thing on there. Okay guys, so got the griddle fired up. Got my gun here. See if we can see where we're at. So right around 400 degrees where we're at right now. It's going to keep getting hotter, but we're going to put a little bit of oil on real quick. All we're using is a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Alright guys, not sure if you can see that or not. Anyway, it's sitting right... Anyway, it's sitting at 420 to 430 degrees. Let's go ahead and get our steak on. Alright, here's our steak. Let's go ahead and get this beauty on. It's going to sizzle. I'll bring you in for a close-up. We're going to give this about 3 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 3 minutes. As you can see, I set my timer. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Anyway, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. We're going to flip it. Alright, once we flip it, we're going to give it 3 more minutes. Okay guys, it's been another 3 minutes. Let's take a look at what the other side looks like. I'll go in close anyway. So what we're going to do now is actually take an internal temperature reading. Internal temperature is reading 136. I'm going to throw some butter on here and we're done. Actually some butter and some garlic. I didn't have any fresh garlic, so I had to use this. So fresh garlic would be better, but this is what I got. Give that about 20 to 30 seconds. Flip it and we're done. All right, it's been about 20 seconds. We're gonna flip it. Had to back the camera up a little bit. All the steam. We got 20 seconds and we are done. Okay, it's been another 20 seconds. I'm gonna pull it off, put it on the plate. We'll meet you at the cutting board. Okay, well here is the finished product. This is what you get. Looks pretty good. The only thing, let's go ahead and cut into it. That's gonna tell us what's going on here. I was shooting for a medium rare-ish, so let's go ahead and cut into it and see what we got here. Oops. Oh man, butter. That's what it is. Oh. Okay, so we didn't quite achieve a medium rare. That's the thing about this Blackstone, is if you can see, I don't know if yeah. So that's a medium well. It got a little bit of pink in the middle, and so pretty good actually, not bad. It actually came to about 140 or so. So. And that was a total of about 9 minutes of cook time. I mean, but you can't, 9 minutes. I mean, look at that. Yeah, that's good. I'm definitely going to try that. Oh, man. We'll be right back for the grand finale. See you in a minute. All right, we are finished with the cook, and I gotta say it turned out absolutely phenomenal. So, total cook time was 3 minutes, flip, 3 minutes, flip. Ended up with about 135 as total temperature all the way around. Griddle was running about 450 degrees the whole time. They were on high the whole time. I never turned them down. I left them on high. So, this is kind of what you get after about 8 minutes for a ribeye. Let's see if we can get you one. Yes, sir. Oh, that's some garlic. Look at that. Just tender. And awesome. So that's how you do steaks in the Blackstone. Just turn them on high, season them up, put them on there, a little bit of olive oil. There's the other ways to do it with seasoning and stuff like that, but it's super simple and it's so easy and so good. You don't have to light up the coals or anything like that, and the steak is undeniably one of my favorite for sure. So absolutely. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to drop a comment. Make sure to share this video also with other people so they can learn how to cook on a Blackstone, for all of us Blackstoners that love to cook on it. But anyway, oh yeah, check out some of the other videos. They'll be in the iCard. Be some other videos popping up as well, so check those out. But hey, I just want to thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next cook.